Gandeng, gandeng, gandeng. Ini saya masuk, ke saya masuk.
Tes, tes.
Tes 1 2 3.
tes 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 tes. Ada
Ada.
suara.
Ada.
Bisa dibawa sekarang. Hello everyone, thanks for getting here. This material today is benefit of play video game. But before we get to the material, we will uh, talk the rules. Uh, the rules is if the moderator or presenter is talking, please mute your microphone. And when the question session, please when you open or you can write your question in chat column. Uh, I'm gonna introduce my team. As a host is me, Laka Rashendria. I'm studying in SMAN 1 Subang, and moderator is Andika, studying in SMAN 1 Subang, and the presenter is Muhammad Sani. He is studying in SMAN 1 Subang. For the moderator is your time.
Thank you. In here, I am moderator. So I will read CV the presenter. The presenter is M. Sani Hanin Tursanin, born in Subang 25 March 2004. The story of education, primary school SDT Alami, junior high school SPT Alami Subang, senior high school SMAN 1 Subang. Okay, the presenters, time is yours.
Thank you, the host. So I will share screen. You can see the share screen.
Yes, I can.
So we can started. Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am presenter. So I will share about good benefit about playing games. A good benefit of playing games. Nothing has been as contested whether they are beneficial or not as much as video games. Ever since they've been invented, video games have always been under fire for alle- allegedly allegedly corrupting the kids would enjoy playing them. Most of these complaints come from worried parents and well-meaning organizations that simply don't want their children to be exposed to something dangerous. But contrary to this accusation, science has constantly shown support to video games. Studies from cognitive psychology and brain research have shown that a moderate amount of playing video games cause several advantages. When used the right way, games are beneficial to kids and adults no matter what age. In this, we share 10 reasons why video game can be good for you, whether it's training the mind, building social connection, improve practical and real life skill. One, video game trains your memory and attention. Immersive gameplay requires you to remember details to progress smoothly in the game. With different sources like text, visual, and audio having to be considered simultaneously. Video game condition the mind and improve the capability to store and remember information, both short term and long term. Video games also sharpen your attention and reduce impulsive, impulsiveness because you work toward accomplishing and certain goal through code the game. You learn how to focus and orient all of your action toward that goal. Video game can be better your eyesight. Gamer that play action games, especially first person like Call of Duty, have been shown to have improved eyesight in terms of contrast sensitivity. Visual contrast sensitive is the ability to distinguish different shades of gray because your mind is more focused and alert. Your sense of sight is height- heightened, heightened and help you see even subtle difference in color. Of course, too much screen time is bad for your eyes. Certain measures must be taken to moderate your exposure to avoid a problem like eye fatigue, headache, and long-term eye damage. Video games train you to multitask. Any good game has multiple stimuli that you need to consider while playing the game. Sometimes you you have to factor in fast moving visual, audio instruction, and the ultimate objective of the game, all while using your joystick or keyboard control. And more than just memorizing the pieces of information. You have to actively respond and make decision after making sense of them all in matter of a few seconds. In fact, an ergonomic study in 2000 in bahasa 2013 showed that 50 hours of video game time significantly improve the performance of individuals. The multi attribute text battery attest measuring the skill required and piloting aircraft. Those who played video game performance stellarly in doing multiplex tests. like controlling the target, monitoring view level, and full, res- full levels, and responding to radio communication. 4. Video game enhance your brain speed and flexibility. Because everything happens so fast in a video game, your brain also trying to process information quickly. Individual who play video game frequently were found the process different stimuli faster than others, while still making smart decisions to accomplish the goal. The goal. Video game also improve mental flexibility or the ability to switch between tasks rapidly and without error, even if these tasks were different and conflicting demands. 5. Video game improve your hand-eye coordination. Hand-eye coordination is one of the foundation being a good video game player, and playing specific games can further improve this skill. Video game harmonize your eye movement with your hand movement to allow you to react quickly and accurate. This is true for video game of any genre, but it's especially true for active video game like Wii Sport, Kinect Adventure. 6. Video game can help your form bond can help your form bonds and become more social. Contrary to popular belief, in healthy dose of video game does not make children antisocial because many games are online and social in nature. They can help you develop sportsmanship and friendly attitude. Only communities, online communities for your favorite game are also very cordial and welcoming, aside from a few bad apples. The same is true for gamers outside of the internet because of the shared interest in online gamers. Gamers easily get along and from casual, meaningful bond with each other eh, each other. Many gamers in social and environment also tend to be friendly and communicative even with topic outside gaming. Seven video games are a great platform for learning. Aside from the games that were specific designed to be aside from the game there were spec- specific designed to be educational. A lot a lot of games impart knowledge and relevant skill while not being explicit expli- explicitly made from learning. Historical games are inspired in real life, like Assassin's Creed, Civilization, Battlefield 1, Battlefield 5, and Battlefield series are great starting point for gamers to be interested in history. Sci-fi games like Bioshock and Half-Life introduce basic concepts that, while comically exaggerate and based on real life science. Sorry if Raka Resendria, the host, out because the connection is bad. The Raka or host will joining here again. Sorry. Okay, 9, video game decrease mental decline associated with aging. Playing video game not only make you feel young, but it also make you think young. All of our mental facilities like memory and abstract reasoning decline with age, but research show show that playing video game help combat this degeneration. But actively and egging your mind online can continue developing new skill and reinforcing new ones, no matter what your age is. Elderly individuals, video games have also been shown to improve their self-actualization actualization and outlook in life. 10. Video games are helpful. Wait. 10. Video games are helpful in overcoming addiction and mental disorders. Video games have often been linked to addiction, but always as the problem and never the solution. With the reverse, video games have been used to overcome addiction because they have been found to help stop unhealthy craving like smoking and alcohol, but sharpening the mind and improving its capacities like attention and eye coordination. But games are also being used therapy for individuals with mental disorder like depression, and in bahasa ADHD, as well as a learning disorder like dyslexia. Memory, video game can one train your memory and attention, two can better your eyesight, three train your to multitask, four enhance your brain speed and flexibility, five improve your hand-eye coordination, six can help you form bonds and become more social, seven create platform for learning, eight can help you improve improve can help you improve your performance work. Nine, decrease mental decline associated with aging. Nine, helpful overcoming addiction and mental disorders. Remember, too much of anything is bad for you. With all of these wonderful benefits that you get mm, can get from playing video games, it's tempting to say that playing 10 hours straight is okay since you're getting all of the good stuff. Not really much like everything in excess, too much video game and own the pros and instead become detrimental to your physical, mental, and social health. Thank you. Sorry if there is a technical error. I will. Okay, this is done. And the moderator time is yours.
Okay, thank you for presenter. Okay, to continue for the Q&A season, if you have question, please chat box and unmute the microphone. question will be limited to because the time is limited. And instructor who want to ask are also welcome to ask. Any question for the participation? Any question?
Okay, Indra Fahmi Raisman, the moderator, please read the chat box.
Okay, thank you to Indra for asking the question playing game. Okay, for parents. Okay, presenter, please answer the question.
Okay, thank you, moderator. So, yes, of course, playing game make so because playing game make you young and have fun, not stress, and enjoy the game. But uh, of to parent recommended not playing game too much. Yes, that's it.
Instructor who want to ask are also welcome to ask. Question and answer session has ended. Thanks for the who asked. To the house can end this meeting.
Host, you in bahasa gak ada suara, gak ada suara.
Yes. Okay. So if no, so if nobody want to ask again, I will end this meeting. Oh, jangan lupa isi apa absen ada di chat linknya.